Hello everyone, this is Shena from Kaiyuni Kreations. Welcome back to another video. To those who subscribed recently, thank you so much. I really do appreciate that. I've tried to get back and answer all your comments. If I haven't gotten to you as yet, I will continue to work on that. And for those of you who are looking at me for the first time or viewing my video for the first time, welcome. Today we're going to cover another notebook. These are great craft fair items. Many of you like the ones I did in 2021 with little flower patterns. So I'm just going to do another one just to keep it going since you guys enjoyed it so much. So here we go. So it's going to be just a regular composition notebook. I've already applied double-sided tape at the back. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly put it on the front. This is 2-inch width. I think it was on sale at scrapbook.com. So I just kind of grabbed it up. And it's easier to use a double-sided tape because the paste, the glue, tends to bleed through the paper sometimes. So I just use this and then use a little bit of the glue, not much. So I'm just applying this here. I'm trying to get it right up to the edge. And then down the middle here. And then we'll begin to apply it. So this is what we have. So I'm going to put these ladies aside for a second. So I wanted to use this for the front and then this sheet for the back. And they're both single-sided, so I don't feel like I'm wasting any paper. And the paper pads I use for this one here, this is by Color Book. I got it from Walmart. And you can see they have some nice patterns in here that I like. Nice and bright. So this is where this one came from. And the front cover came from this lovely one here. Garden Charm. It was from Michael's Recollections. You know, they usually have the hot buy where these are like on super sale. So I usually grab mine up at that time. And these have some nice spring prints. And since we're almost in March, well, we are in March, so I just wanted to get started with this one. All right, so this is a quick project. It doesn't take long. So this is going to be the back and the front. So the front, I'm going to actually start it here where the black band ends. So I think what I'm going to do is glue it on first and then just get an X-Acto knife and cut around the edge of it. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to lift this up here quickly. And just get this off. Get these out of the way. I am going to put just a little smidge of glue, not much, just in between. And the edges here. Just to make sure we cover everything. Oh, I probably shouldn't have taken them all off at the same time. Oh, there we go. So I try to get the corner down here first just to get it in place. If you've worked with this tape before, you know once it's down, it's down. I'm trying to line it up with the black band. And I think we've got it. So I wanted it to be in line there. I'm actually going to get my little spatula out. Okay, for whatever reason I couldn't find my spatula, so we're going to just use the bone folder. Get it all the way to the edge. And then what I wanted to do was to flip it over. And then, so I'm actually going to use this here. I've got a piece of plastic here to protect my surface. I'm just going to go right up to the edge. A little bit cut, but don't know why it won't come off. There we go. Let's try it this way. Okay, let's try one more time. I was trying not to have to use the scissors. Okay, we've pretty much got that. And then I'm just gonna get the edges there. I think I'm just gonna take the scissors and get this side. All right, so retract this. So we pretty much have the front down here right now. And that went on smoothly. So what I want to do now is the back. I'm going to move this aside for a second. So I want to start with this end here. Maybe I should use this knife next time. For some reason it's not adhering. For some reason this tape doesn't like this material here. It likes the blade. That is interesting. See, it's coming up there. I don't know why. It's not adhering to this black. I didn't want to raise the whole thing up as yet, because I want to get this area taken care of. So I'm going to actually reinforce this with the glue again, because for whatever reason it didn't stick. Get some in here. Not quite what I was hoping for, but let's see how that goes. I just like to roll the paper, so I'm actually let it overlap a little. Make sure it's lined up in the corner here. Bring it to the edge. Get that to stick down. And then I'm just going to take this off here. I'm going to apply a little bit more back here, just a safe measure. And what I do is that I just roll it. So that way it just stays on. So you've got that smooth transition. And then you can just remove the rest of the tape. just let it fall and you smooth it out. Use your bone folder to just get it flat if there's any air, and it's pretty smooth. This is a little different than how I did it the last time, but I'm going to go back to using my scissors. And I'm just going to come back here and just to get this little end here. I think we've got it. And that's it to me. You can leave it like this, or you can further embellish. I think I'm going to go a little bit more. So I'm going to put a name tag on here, and let me just get the edge of the corners. Get all the excess tape off. So that's just the tape that was sticking out there. And I'm going to get the bottom here. And I think, so I mean, you're good to go like this here. I tend to use these, you know, in the office for taking phone messages and that kind of thing. But I'm not going to stop there. I think I want to do a little bit of a name tag. And then I'm going to stick one of these ladies on there. So just to break it up a little bit, I'm going to pull the white from here. I don't want too big of a name tag here, but I'm going to put one here. I think this is a good width. I'm going to make them smaller than the last time. Pull out my little cutting tool here. And I usually just get the paper mark there. I don't do a lot of measuring. If you feel you need to measure, go right ahead. So I've got this here for the inside. And I think I actually... No, I'm going to do the tag in white. I chickened out. I'll do it in white. I was thinking of a yellow tag, but the white actually stands out more. So let's go ahead and round the corners for this. This is a nice little tool. And I'm going to go ahead and glue it down and then just cut around the yellow, and you know, that's it. So I'm going to put it here just to have a little bit of a border. Of course, you have your bone folder. Spread that glue out. And then your scissors, you go ahead and you cut it around. You know what? My hands are not the straightest lately, so I'm going to go ahead and use my cutting tool. So it's even, it's flush over there. Slide, and it's flush on this end. So we've got that. So this is going to go here. I'm going to round the corners just to keep it consistent. So I'm going to go ahead and drop this down here. I think I might put some bling on it and stick one of these ladies on there. Let's see which one of them will work. I think any one of them would. And this is La Petite by the Paper Studio. And it was probably on sale when I grabbed it. I like her a little. She's got the pink, the yellow. She's got all the colors, the blue. I think I'll grab her. And okay, I'll put her aside there. So let me go ahead and get this glued down. I know she's got some, well, they've got, it's a little acetate sticker. Yeah, I'm gonna put her up here. And again, just to reinforce. And you are free to write whatever you want up here. Whatever the book is going to be used for. If it's going to be for journaling, you know, or just taking notes or what have you. And that is it. I think that took us, what, 5 minutes maybe? So here we are. It's covered. It's a plain old composition notebook. So we're going to let that dry. And thank you for sticking around. I know this was just a quick video just to give you some ideas as craft fair season is coming up. Don't forget to check out my Pinterest page. I'm on Instagram, Facebook. I also have my website. And of course, please like and subscribe and share. I appreciate all the support I've gotten so far. You guys have been very good. So I really do appreciate that. And until next time, have a blessed day. Bye.